Hi Brian, right, I'm just going to give you a quick run over of V2 Connect with Alice. So you've got, just to navigate around the tablet, if you swipe from left, it'll show you what open apps you've got. At the minute we're in desktop mode, you'll see Alice, Fast and the Connect Studio, and I've also put those icons on the toolbar at the bottom. So when we swipe right, you can switch from tablet mode to desktop. So you'll see in that instance you can see your desktop, but the icons stay at the bottom. So if we start by uploading Alice, so at the top of the screen we can flip on. That's a little bit less glare, so you can see that Alice is now running. So if you switch on the log, then it'll be logging the words that come up into a file that's on the desktop that you can access, so you can actually view the words that were prompted during your session. If you put view, you get the little typewriter that also types the words, so it's just a little additional feature. So we can just turn that off for now. So months, tell. So if you want to close Alice, just switch it off. Your log actually pops up, so you can see tell and months. So you could save that data if you please. We'll just close that for now. Right, so at the bottom you can see the Alice icon. So if you hold it down and then press close window, do you wish to close Alice? Yes. So it says goodbye. Okay. We'll go to the green Connect Studio. So it's just a mock-up. Obviously your sensor will be set on it'll be set up on the holder. So I'll just try and get this a little bit closer. So there's two little plugs to this side. Press connect and then the sensor will light up. And I'll just turn the volume down so we don't get any feedback, because there's a very slight lag in sound processing back from the device. So you can see that's the depth stream. If you press the little cog just there, then we can change the depth stream to grey. He says grey, okay, press okay, so that's a black and white depth stream. And we can go through infrared plug-in, hello, and we can go to colour, back to infrared, and then there's a series of you can tweak the audio, etc. Right, we've also got 3D monitor mode, so you've just seen my position. I'm talking to you in there, so hand on my head, so you can actually see me on the screen. So I can move that around, so it'll give you that view from the side, and then we can also scroll to that way underneath and obviously up above. So it's a really good part of the application. So if you resize that window, you can obviously drag that to the top. Oh, resize that window, move it up slightly. It's not playing ball, is it? So I'll just resize that window. I won't drag it right to the top, I'll just leave it there. So if we decide to reopen Alice, and then we can resize. Again, you can change the mode settings over there. That's quite a nice one, isn't it? So surface with normal, colour point, so that's in colour. So if we flip back to 2D, obviously when it sees a Stickman, I'm obscuring vision at the moment with my camera, but the Stickman will pop up. So where do we get to? So we wanted to start Alice running, and we wanted to overlay the connect. So you can see that, I suppose we drag Alice down a little and reposition the screens, whether it's better in tablet mode, just to give you a rough idea. No, it's probably better in desktop mode. So there we go. So you've got Alice and Connect running simultaneously. So again, to close Alice, flip it off, right press down, close window. So that just leaves us to look at the final one, the icon in the middle. First time I've connected, so you don't have to worry about that prompt. Again, you're looking for the connect button. It says connect on the left hand side. Then we can increase the window. So basically this is just a viewer. I'll try and move the camera to one side. And when, there you go, see that it's locked onto me, and there's the Stickman, and then it will look at your depth when it's not locked. Hopefully you found that helpful. To all of the other viewers, if you please like, share, subscribe, all the usual stuff. Helps us to promote our channel and keep our name out there. Obviously not forgetting our ghost hunting equipment website in the usual fashion. Just dig out a business card. Oh, there's a Stickman. It's creeping up behind me. It's like having a bit of fun up there, trying to sit on my shoulder and tickle his foot or touch me. It's quite interesting. Yeah, a little bit of interaction there. Hello? Can you wave? Can you wave your arm? It's just trying to climb on my shoulder. Can you wave? I think that was a wave from the left. Yeah, it's a wave from the left hand. You touch my shoulder again. Anyway, getting distracted now. There we go. Thank you. Right, so I'll just turn on my light as suggested, and there we go. There's the site details, website, contact information. Thanks again for looking. Cheers guys. Bye.